shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whispers. Let me just put the daily in there. For April 9th, 2020, keep in mind tomorrow the market is closed. We all get to sleep late tomorrow. Stay safe and happy holidays to everybody. Let's start with the SPY. The SPY, we're going to be bullish above 275. Yeah, it's a really key, powerful level. If we could break above that, we might hit the VWAP. We'll see how the jobless claims numbers come in, but more importantly, how the market reacts to it. Okay, so let's not try to analyze those numbers. We know it's going to be bad, but we don't know how the market's going to feel about that. So just go with it. All right, bearish below 271. Let's go to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 2765. And we're going to be bearish below 2725. We just went below that for a retracement trade right now. Yeah, and what I'm looking at here is, retracement to the 4 EMA possibly. Every time we lift above it, it comes back. See this pattern? Yeah, it's really awesome pattern actually. Let's go to IWM, the Russell. Yeah, the Russells had some pretty heavy dark pool action lately. Yep. 113.23, 113.28, 114.62, yeah, 115. These are really heavy levels between about 113 and 115. Let's see if we can hold these levels. If we can break above this the 30 simple moving average, the green line right here. Yeah, around that 120 level for the bigger picture. Yeah, there's a pretty big swing up here. But if we do go below it, if they've been selling on this run up and we do go below the levels, look out below. So watch that for the bigger picture. Smaller picture today, bullish above 119, bearish below 116. I like to look at all the pictures. Let's go to the QQQ. All right, we're going to be bullish above 200. Yeah, so the QQQ, really looking at this 200 simple moving average right on the 200. What's the odds of that? Seriously, right? That's a coincidence. Bear below 198.75 for a retracement trade, which is happening right now. Back down to the 4 EMA most likely. But we'll see what those jobless claims do. Yep. DIA, bull above 236, bear below 232 for the Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF. We'll go to the NASDAQ futures. Be bull above 82.75. And we're going to be bearish below 81.20, which we are close to testing right now. Oh, let's go to those oil futures. Hold on a sec. Yeah, I know all that news coming out this morning with Saudi, but look what we did. We came all the way down to the pivot and then we hammered it. Look at that high volume that came in. I taught about this yesterday in the training pit, how I watch the futures and pivots together. And I'll be teaching a lot more about that next week in my one-day class on Tuesday. But you can see we came down, most of the volume happened. We popped it up a bit. So we are bullish above 27.20. That's above here. And we're going to be bearish, obviously below 26.37. And we did, look, this was my trade setup that I sent out earlier. We did come down to the pivot. So now the new trade, all right, would be below the pivot. Okay, so if I was looking to trade the futures now, I would be bearish below 25.40. Yeah, if we retest and go below this area, actually 37. I'm gonna change that to 37. All right, my target would be 25, 25, 25, 12, 25. And we've already tested 25. Yeah, $5 levels are major. Computers are programmed to buy. So we had a buy program that went off on the pivot and a buy program that went off at the 25 level. If they were to bring it down again, there'd be less buyers. So odds are we would go lower to about 24, 66, 67, and 24, 44. So 24, 67, and 24, 44, S1. That's how I got those levels, all right? Just going to copy and paste this into the document that we put in our room drive. So we have it. Yeah, I get questions all the time. Steph, what happened? You know, the market opened and already went below your levels. Well, guess what? That's why it's important that you learn how to trade and do this yourself so that you can map out the next trade and be self-sufficient. That's really my goal, to teach everybody in my trading room. So let's go to gold futures. Holy moly. Yeah, did you see my blog yesterday, you guys? Yeah, my holy moly. That was for Lynn, by the way. Are you here? I don't know if Lynn is here, Lynn and Ike. That was for Lynn because she always loves my holy moly. Yeah, massive prints on gold, massive prints on the dollar. Yes, let's go for the gold. The Olympics might be postponed, but we can still go for the gold. So 1710 is key level. Yep, we tested it, pulled back to this Camarilla. If we break above that, we most likely will retest this top trend line, which we hit the other day. Now look, if we go above that 1800, here we come. We haven't been there since like 2012. Yeah, 1900. We may even hit 2000, you guys. Yep, there was enough dark pool activity back last year in April. That's when I saw the Armanis buying the biggest amount I've ever seen in my entire career. So it wouldn't shock me if we did go to those levels. Okay, but we're just going to trade it level to level. Let's just take it one step at a time. Let's not get out of control here. All right, so bull above 1710, bear below 1680. Got to be prepared both ways at all times. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. And I'm glad you liked it, Pinky. Yeah, I have fun doing those. All right, so AAL, bullish above 1250. So we had a lot of volume pre-market on airlines and oil. So we are going to focus on that today. Yep. Those are probably going to be the movers and the shakers. So we're going to be bullish above 1250. All right, and bear below 11. I really wanted to just be bearish below the 4 and the 8. So we really have our bear trade there and our bull trade up here. This is for me a no trading zone. Okay, and you know, and that trade could be good on Monday. Yeah, we're always looking at the daily chart and the 4 and the 8 EMA. So UAL, we're going to be bullish above 30. That's a major level. And we're going to be bearish below 27 again. You know, I like to go below there. We will hit probably the 4 and the 8 and bounce up, and we could kind of toggle back and forth. But the big bear trade would be below the 4 and the 8. So watch those. All right, USO, all over the place. So my bull level this morning was 556. We had dark pool activity at 556. Yeah, they retested it and pulled it back. They played print pong on us this morning. Yeah, so I put all the dark pool levels here, as you can see. Yeah, these are the prints that got us into the long trade. And so far, we've stayed in them. Obviously, they took some profit going up here. 501, 546, 556, and 583. So it's really key that we watch, you know, for the bigger picture. If we go below 448, look out below. Yeah, that's when it would get uber bearish for oil. But today, bearish below 512 for a retrace to this first print, 487. And then, of course, if we go below that, then 448 would be our next target, 450. I'll actually just put that in here, okay? CCL, Carnival Cruise, bullish today above 13 and bear below 12 for Carnival for a retracement trade down to person's pivots. And let's go to Delta because we had a lot of volume on Delta. Yep, pop and drop. Only bullish above 24.50, bear below 23.12. Occidental Petroleum, another oil company with volume this morning, bullish above 17.20 and bear below 16.40. We've already gone below that level for the gap fill trade. Yeah, so 15.68 would be our gap fill. So watch for that as a last target. Disney, yeah, so Disney, we had that massive print a couple days ago, and pop, we had the news last night. So it looks like they're definitely taking some profit. We're kind of stuck on this 106 level for Disney. So I'm bearish below 105.50. If they take it below that, we'll probably retrace back down here, maybe fill in the gap. But I had a last target at 102.73. Okay, retracement trade. Let's go to Schlumberger. Yeah, I've been in this one personally after we had those big prints. This was in my insights. Today, though, bullish above 18.37. Yep, that's a key level. Bearish below 16.75 for Schlumberger. And silver. Keep your eye on silver. We have had a lot of prints on this guy. We hit a resistance trend line going all the way back from 2018. You can see I drew this trend line and bam, we hit it and stopped right in its tracks. I love that. So if we go above that, then we have a lot of room to the upside to this gap. This is more of a swing trade. This is slow. You know, this is my next trade setup for silver. Okay, I like to get out before the 15. So 1471 is my high end target, all right, on this swing. But we really need to break above 1420. I'd like to close above that. Yeah, if we could do that, that would be bullish. There you have it. Those are my whispers for April 9th, 2020. Hope everybody stays safe over the weekend. Please, you know, this virus is, you know, climaxing right now. I'm pretty sure everybody knows people that, at least one person that has it. It could be very terrifying. So please just stay home, stay safe. And yeah, until next time, guys, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.